This is the iPhone 4S battery replacement guide. First step will be to use a special Torx 5-point screwdriver to remove the two bottom screws located on the bottom of the iPhone. From there we can gently lift up the back cover and remove it. The connection is held in place with two small Phillips screws which need to be removed. Using a pry tool, we can now lift away the pop connection for the battery. Take note of the small metal bracket which is located underneath the top screw. You can now use the battery pull tab to remove the battery. Note that there is quite a bit of adhesive holding the battery in place. If need be, use a pry tool to gently pry away on the right edge.